Yeah, we're making some breakfast, aren't we? We're out here on this very beautiful day, very impromptu. We're making some breakfast from Outdoor Herbivore, the Pinole Harvest Bowl. So I'm just getting, yes, we're very excited. We're just getting some stuff together here. Dogs are with us. That's a great shot of them. All right, mix it in. Yeah. We're just gonna, hold on, sweetheart. Mix it in, and it says to cover, but. All right, mix. It says to cover. We're gonna just go with that. There we go. Got some ducks out there in the pond. Just enjoying the beautiful day. Ember's ready to eat, aren't you? Ready to have a little breakfast. All right, just poured the cereal out. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. It's oatmeal, you know, it's hot cereal, it's oatmeal. And try some? Go ahead. Go ahead, eat some. Go ahead. I'll do it with you. Go ahead, try some. Is it still hot? Kind of tastes like grits a little bit. It smells really good, and it has like huge chunks of walnut in it, but the texture is interesting. It's definitely, it tastes like grits. If you like grits, you like this. If you don't like it, that's okay. Just give it a try for me, please. Just want to try it, please. And if you don't like it, that's okay. Yeah, it's kind of different, isn't it? Thank you so much for trying it. What do you think? You want more? Oh my goodness! Baby Rogue likes it! It really actually isn't bad. It's definitely different. It's, you know, but gosh, this is a lot of food right here. The very first bite was kind of like, I don't know about this, it's kind of different. But the more you eat it, like, actually, it's really good. You know, it's a different texture, which is why I was kind of like, I don't know about this. But it's actually really delicious. And Baby Rogue likes it. She's been taking bites after bite. And actually, I don't think it was raisins. I think it's little cranberries. Cranberry walnut. It's actually really good. I'm going to put a link down below to where you can go check out Outdoor Herbivore for yourself. But honestly, I really like this. And I think they have something really good and tasty and wholesome here. Thanks so much for watching. If you like my channel, please visit me on Facebook and Instagram, and go down to my website at roguepreparedness.com. And if you really like my channel, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Links down below. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Bye. Say bye-bye, Ember.